Hi you guys, today we're going to be making slime with peanut butter and flour. I have here my kids Jeremiah and Josiah. You say anything before we start?
And Jay. Yeah. And Jay. And Jay.
Yeah, Jay's the baby over here watching this too. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Sugar.
No, it's not sugar.
What is that? Milk. Flour.
So we have here
Flour. Peanut butter.
and you can use
Let me see.
any creamy
Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Okay, so somebody called me and I got interrupted, but
Ew.
any creamy peanut butter you can use. And we have 3 bowls, spoon for mixing. Okay, let's get started. Okay.
Okay.
We're just gonna zoom in on the bowl so you can see exactly what we are doing.
I see that. You see that mine?
So what we're gonna do is just do
Take it out.
just like this. We're gonna do 2 spoonfuls.
We don't eat it.
2 spoonfuls.
Mom, I look hungry.
We're gonna put it in the microwave and let it warm up for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds.
No.
And we'll be right back. Okay, so I put it in the microwave for
Mom,
about
it up.
20 seconds. I did 20 seconds on each bowl. Okay. So this is what it's looking like after 20 seconds. And you really don't have to warm it up. I just did it so it'll be easier to mix for us. You can do it like without warming it up too.
I can't put your flour in.
I'm just using half a cup of flour right now.
Don't eat the flour.
Don't eat it. Keep mixing it. So now we're just gonna start mixing it up.
Missy boat.
Okay, so now you see how it's like it just look like it's all clumpy or whatever. This is when we're going to start. This is when we're gonna put our hands in it and clump it together. Let me see what yours looking like. Now,
Wow.
just gonna pick it up. Use half of that with this. You gonna mix it up? Look how mine turned out. What yours look like that? This look more so like Play-Doh to me than slime. So I would definitely call this Play-Doh.
I definitely want some my slime.
Okay, yeah, you might need some more peanut butter.
Whoa.
As you can see,
Mom.
this is what it should look like after it's
Mama,
finished.
I need water in my bowl, Mommy. I didn't miss it.
Okay, this hand, my hand
Mama!
looks pretty dirty, but let me
Mama!
put it in this hand. It's like, it doesn't stick to you. It's actually something that you can really play with.
And that is mine.
Some people eat it. It's edible. You can eat it.
They
But
eat it.
I'd rather not.
Oh. Mommy, I need watermelon.
And start smashing it together. Let me see. Let me help you. Josiah, you don't want to make it? You want to just eat it? He's over there eating his. What it tastes like? Tastes good? Yeah?
Mommy.
Look, there you go. It's nasty. What it tastes like to you?
Yummy.
What it tastes like? Is it good?
It tastes like
Josiah
slime.
says it's good. What it tastes like, Josiah?
Yeah.
Does it taste like peanut butter?
Mommy. Drop it more.
However much you want.
Mommy, eat it. Mommy, eat it.
I don't want to eat it.
It's nasty.
Why are you doing that, Josiah? Stop doing that.
Okay. Good. Okay. Patty day. Wait, burn. Huh? Go. Ah! Wait.
Okay, we're just gonna bring you guys closer.
Whoa.
You wanna show them yours?
Mm-hmm.
So what does that look like?
It looked like slime to me. It looked like the bottom.
He put his into that, so that's why that's on there. But just gonna put them in these little baggies. You wanna play with yours still?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put mine in the bag. My son crying. He's not enjoying this. You wanna say bye?
Bye, guys.
So just again, 2 scoops of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. Doesn't matter what brand, just any creamy peanut butter. And I would say just add flour as you go until you get that consistency where until you get that feeling where it's not sticky. It's like you can touch it and it's not sticky to you. I'll mix it first with a spoon and then you can go in with your hands afterwards, because if you just go in with your hands, it's going to be like really sticky and stick to your hands, stuff like that. So yeah, but yeah, this is how it turned out. I just put it in here so it doesn't get dirty or dry out or something, just in case they do decide that they want to eat it, because it is edible. But yeah, say bye, Jace. Bye bye. Say bye bye.